Namaste. Welcome to Ameya. Today we're going to take a look at Tussar sarees. These are beautiful Gicha Tussar sarees with lovely weaving all over the saree. So all the sarees will feature simple striped weaving all over the saree, checks pallu and contrast colored pallus and blouses. So to order any of the sarees in this video, please take a screenshot and send it to 9845996886, the number you can see on the screen or through this video. Please note, we don't have a COD option. If you wish to make a payment, you have to pay us using payment apps like Google Pay, PhonePe or Paytm. You may also choose to do a bank transfer. We don't have a COD option. Please note. Shipping is free within India and we send our couriers through India Post. Do watch the video till the end and make a choice of the sarees you like. These are lovely sarees. They're very apt for gifting and they are very suitable for summers. This can be nice for a simple outing, a movie or a temple. They work very well for such occasions. We also have many other videos coming up in Gicha Tussar sarees. Please stay tuned for other videos. Do subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. You may also find us on Facebook and Instagram. Our Insta handle is Ameya Online. And watch the video till the end and make a choice of the sarees you like. Thank you. Happy shopping.